The Bharatiya Janata Party won the capital contest on Saturday, making a solid comeback in Delhi after 27 long years. Now here are 5 reasons why the BJP's double-engine government rolled into Delhi as smoothly as it did. Back in 2012, the AAP was born out of the middle-class frustration with the political status quo. But over the years, it has come to be increasingly seen as a party that works only for the poor. Now, recognizing and capturing this gap, the BJP wooed the middle-class voter segment with great care and strategy. The BJP was also careful to emphasize that none of the ongoing schemes of the AAP government would be stopped if it came to power. This was announced by Modi himself, giving it added weight that helped counter the AAP's claim that the poor would lose out on benefits if the BJP was voted in. Further, AAP's unpopularity this time also revolved around the poor condition of the capital's roads and sewers. The fact that the AAP is in power in the Municipal Corporation of Delhi as well meant it could not pass the buck to the BJP, saying the central government through the Lieutenant Governor was not allowing it to work. Voters seem to have decided that a BJP government was likely to function more smoothly alongside the centre-appointed LG who holds significant powers. So last-minute changes to tackle anti-incumbency seem to not have been enough to counter the unpopularity of some MLAs seen as unavailable and inaccessible.